Welcome back guys. Today I'm back with some exciting news for all the Xbox fans out there. The next generation of consoles are getting closer to the launch. So today I will be talking about Microsoft's upcoming console, the Xbox Series X. So first of all, let's talk about the raw power that Xbox Series X holds. The Series X GPU is rocking 12 teraflop processing power, which is equal to 12 trillion flops. The flop stands for floating points operations per second. Now let's talk about the processor of the Series X. The console is based on AMD's current generation Zen 2 processor architecture, plus a graphics processor using AMD's forthcoming RDNA 2 microarchitecture, which is built on 7nm process. The custom GPU in Xbox is 52 computing units, which creates a massive 12 teraflops. The Series X is capable of performing 4 times faster than the current Xbox One. The Xbox Series X will be the first console ever to feature a hardware-accelerated DirectX ray tracing, which will give a more immersive experience by improving the shadows, lighting, and even the audio of the games, making the game world more realistic. The games on the Xbox Series X will run at 60 frames per second standard at 4K resolutions for a more smoother and responsive gameplay, but the console will also support up to 120 frames per second. The custom SSD in Xbox Series X will say goodbye to loading times. The SSD will incorporate a new feature called Xbox Velocity Architecture, which will let developers make use of up to 100 GB of game assets instantaneously. The Quick Resume feature enables you to suspend multiple games in the background, and you can switch between games in a blink of an eye even if you restart the console. The Xbox Series X supports HDMI 2.1. The connectors on the cables are the same, but the new HDMI 2.1 standard supports more bandwidth. The Series X will also support two new HDMI 2.1 features: the Auto Low Latency mode, which changes the latency settings according to your display, and Variable Refresh Rate, which synchronizes the display's refresh rate to the game's frame rate to avoid tearing of the pixels on the screen. The controller of Series X will also incorporate Dynamic Latency Input, which synchronizes the input immediately with what is displayed on the screen and makes it more responsive, so that you do not have any excuse of missing that headshot in Call of Duty. The Series X will also incorporate Microsoft's DirectX 12 Ultimate, which is the latest version of the company's GPI, or the graphics programming interface. The GPU will support DirectX ray tracing and variable rate shading, and ultimately result in higher FPS gaming at 4K resolution.